All right, folks, here's the plan. I'm gonna try out these 3 rifled slugs through this wonderful, beautiful Fostech Origin 12 SBV. I'm gonna shoot them at the pumpkins down there. So this is a scientific test. We'll start. First round I have in the mag is your Federal 12 gauge 1 ounce rifled slug, 1610 feet per second. Next up with the Slugger 7/8 ounce at 1800 feet per second. And then everyone's favorite, the Deep Penetrator at 1350 feet per second. You can see though, has a copper jacket on it, which will help aid in penetration. This one is a little bit of a hollow point, and this one has a little bit of a hollow point too. And also carrying my wonderful SIG 220 Combat threaded barrel. This thing's a beauty, isn't it? All right, stay tuned. Entrance holes look pretty similar. Let's see the backside. Deep Penetrator left about the same size as the entrance hole. Slugger blew right through it. And same thing here, so not much damage.